video is not to drag Ebuka Obi or Zion Ministry. This is about this my missing brother by name Orama Godson. He lives in the northern Cotonou. The place is called Wasafionko. That's where he stays with his family, with his wife and a newborn baby. And it's over 2 months he left Cotonou to come to Zion Ministry for a prayer. So, according to his people, his family people that contacted me to make an announcement, to make a video concerning his whereabouts, they said he left for a prayer. He came to Zion Ministry. There are people that came from that side as well, saw him, but when they saw him, he was dusty and he was putting his Bible on his head, walking around the altar and everywhere. So he was having issues with the security team, Zion security team. So that is the ushers or something, or steward. I don't know what they call them in Zion, but he was having issues with them because they were trying to kind of control him so that he will not be wandering about or something like that. So they started having issues. Maybe he argued or something. So they dragged him away from that center of attraction. That is the altar side. So, and that was the last time anybody saw him. Then they contacted Zion Ministry, they contacted Ebuka Obi, and Ebuka Obi gave them assurance that they will find him. But up till now, it's about 2 months now, and his wife just gave birth. It's about 2 months now, and nothing has been heard about the man, nor from Zion Ministry.
Oneze ndị Igbo ndewonu ọkwa na ije ụwa ebiko meseji a na-agara onye ọbụla na-agakwara ọdịnaka mee vidio. Ọdịnaka, I'm not trying to drag you also, but listen, you're not trying to drag Zion Ministry or Ebuka Obi. No, na wo akpa Ebuka Obi onye ọ na-apụta, the Zion members apụta. No. But my point he hit, I see that now that the brother was wandering around. It means that no more mental problem. Maniti is here that he had issue with security men. Somebody that is wandering around trying to distract others have mental disorder. So the security have to take their action. But you put it that they dragged him. Maybe he refused to leave the environment. So they have to drag him out. But what I'm trying to bring us here now is that many people are going to go church. Siaba Gables on one there. Many people are go school, see from school, Gables on one there. Many people are go many places, Siaba Gables on one there. So why all this Zion Ebuka Obi, Zion Ebuka Obi? That your brother, when we phone, una track you go the phone number, una report go to the police. I think this is a police case. They're supposed to report to the police. I track the number. Now why not tagging Zion Ebuka Obi, Zion Ebuka Obi? What of all that your brother got Zion, Siaba Gabe Bozo? You know, is not nice. Everything that I gave Ebuka Obi, tag Zion, it is not nice. Ebuka Obi, I have Bruno. So Ebuka Obi now, with Ebuka Obi, I bet you one negi. When they go on the phone, track the number. Because also Zion come on Naga, catch up with the Jabos or more four. Many people left Fugo. Many people are going to give me four. Also, Zion will be able to go to four. Maybe look at Zion, take PC Bozo. Even Lagos 7, now where they're back, uncle. There are many. So we don't know how to Zion, Moronia got church, Seba Tipuziana, Sarah Project by one young Tipana. Church I have, what church I have. It is not nice. Track your phone number. It's a police case. You are already dragging Zion and Ebuka Obi.